In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Students, today our article is simple harmonic motion, SHM. Students, this article is very important as far as FSC and A level classes are concerned. So first of all, I will give the definition of simple harmonic motion. It is a type of vibratory motion in which acceleration is directly proportional to displacement and it is always directed towards its mean position. Look at the definition, students. SHM, it is a type of vibratory motion in which acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement and it is always directed towards its mean position. Now students, we will explain this with the help of spring mass system. Students, we have the two examples in this regard, simple harmonic motion. One is the simple pendulum and the other one is spring mass system. Look at the spring mass system, students. We have the spring is there and it is connected with its one end is connected with some support and the other end is connected with the body of mass M. And in the diagram A, there is no force acting on it. F is 0, it means x is equal to 0. And in diagram B, we apply the force F on this direction, on the right side, and the body covers a distance x. So it covers a displacement x in that direction. And if we remove this force at this point, then the body moves in left direction under the application of restoring force. The body will not stop at point O, that is the mean position. It will not stop at point O due to its inertia, and it will continue its motion in the left direction and it covers the equal displacement x in the same direction. So look at again here, students. We are discussing simple harmonic motion with the help of spring mass system. It is a spring mass system and is lying horizontally as shown in figure. And in this diagram, the F is 0, there is no force acting, displacement is 0. And in this case, the force acting on the right side and it covers a displacement x in that direction. And if we remove the force at this position, extreme position, then the body will start its motion in the left direction under the application of restoring force once. And this body will not stop at point O, that is the mean position, will not stop at point O due to inertia, and it covers equal distance in the left direction. So it will oscillate between A and A dash. Students, what is restoring force? Restoring force. The force which brings a body towards its original position. The force which brings the body towards its original position is called restoring force, and its value is equal to Fr is equal to minus kx. So it is termed as restoring force. The body covers, the body moves on the left direction because we have removed the applied force at this position, and the body starts its motion on the left direction under the application of restoring force. And restoring force is the force which brings the body towards its original position, and it is restoring force. Fr is equal to minus kx. So that's it's the equation number 1. And according to second law of motion, students, second law of motion, what is second law of motion? F is equal to ma. It's another equation. So students, both are forces. You can equate these two equations. Equating, we get ma is equal to minus kx. So a will be equal to minus k over m into x. So in this case, k is constant, m is constant, so you can replace by another constant here into x. So equality sign and constant can be removed by just proportionality sign. So that is a proportion to minus x, which is simple harmonic motion, which is SHM. So students, a is proportion to minus x. And what are the conditions of simple harmonic motion, students? Now we are looking for the conditions. The conditions for simple harmonic motions are: number 1, the system should be frictionless. The system should be frictionless. And number 2 is the system should have inertia. The system should have inertia. So that's number 2. And the third one is the system should have a restoring force. Should have a restoring force. Look at again here, students. I've just told you simple harmonic motion. First of all, you must know the definition. It's a type of vibratory motion in which acceleration is directly proportional to displacement, and it is always directed towards its mean position. You can write on mathematically as a is proportional to minus x. So that is the simple harmonic motion. And we have the examples in case of simple harmonic motion, that is simple pendulum and spring mass system. And we have proved that a is proportional to minus x. What are the conditions for that? There are three conditions. Number 1 is the system should be frictionless. Number 2, the system should have inertia. And the third one is the system should have restoring force. So it's about the simple harmonic motion, and students, you must clear about that article. This article is very, very important as far as FSC and A level physics are concerned. Thank you, students.